So, in our previous lecture, we discussed on statement of Gauss theorem. Okay, the statement of Gauss theorem is phi equal to integration of closed surface EDS equal to q by epsilon naught times. Okay, and we want to prove these things that EDS integration of EDS of closed surface is equal to q by epsilon naught times. So, proof we write proof of this theorem. Suppose the surface S is a sphere of radius r centered on Q. This is the closed surface. Okay, this is the closed surface. Okay, and r is the radius, and this r is the radius. So this r is also radius. Okay, and the charge Q is placed on the center of this sphere. Okay, now then surface S is Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface is that surface which draw symmetrical to the given surface. Okay, and we can easily find the area of that surface. Okay, so this is the Gaussian or spherical Gaussian surface, because we know the area of any spherical surface, that is 4 pi r square. So we choose this is the spherical Gaussian surface. Okay, whatever the surface, you can choose the Gaussian surface, but one and only one thing is that you can easily find the area of that surface. Okay, so now इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट एनी पॉइंट ऑन एस. इस डायग्राम में आप देखिए, ये एक यहाँ पर एक स्मॉल एरिया यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है, इसको क्या बोला है, ds. व्हाट इज दिस? इज स्मॉल एरिया ds, स्मॉल एरिया ds. ओके, एंड if the charge q is placed at centered q, and at that point what is the direction of electric field? Outwards, radially outwards. Why radially outwards? Because there is a repulsion force between this charge and this is the test charge. So this electric field is radially outward. Okay, and what is the area vector of this surface? The area vector of this surface is also in this direction. So I write here ds vector. Okay, both electric field and area vector are radially outwards. Okay, so first of all we find the electric field at any point on S. Okay, so what is the formula of electric field? E equal to what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Okay, this is the fundamental formula. Electric field due to point charge. Okay, what is the reason? Electric field due to point charge 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Okay, and the electric field and area vector both are parallel, means theta equal to what? Theta equal to 0. Okay, so please write up to that. We further proceed. So this is the further proof. Flux through area ds vector is what? D phi e equal to eds e vector dot ds vector equal to eds cos theta. And what is the value of theta? Here theta is 0 degree. So what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is 1. So eds. Okay, now total flux through surface S is, okay, this is the d phi e for small surface, and the total flux for this whole surface, whole spherical surface. So phi e equal to whole integration of सरफेस एस डी फाई ई इक्वल टू, आप इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर दीजिए तो टोटल फ्लक्स आ जाएगा। ठीक है, इसका भी आप इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ क्लोज सरफेस एस ईडीएस सिंपली ईडीएस, ओके, एंड ई बाहर ले लीजिए, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ क्लोज सरफेस ds, okay, this is E and what is the value of this, ये टर्म क्या हो जाएगी, दिस इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द सरफेस, ये टोटल एरिया हो जाएगा, और E की वैल्यू आप पुट कर दीजिए 1/4πε0 q/r² इंटू व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ क्लोज सरफेस, टोटल एरिया सरफेस एरिया 4πr², ओके, सो 4πr² से 4πr² कैंसिल हो जाएगा, q/ε0 रिमेनिंग यहाँ पर रहेगा, सो फाई इक्वल टू q/ε0, ये हमारा स्टेटमेंट था, मैथमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट, और ये हमने क्या कर लिया, इसको प्रूव कर लिया है। ठीक है, सो दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ गॉस थ्योरम, ओके, सो राइट दिस प्रूफ स्टेटमेंट, okay, and in our next video we will discuss on application of Gauss theorem, okay, 1, 2 or 3 important application of Gauss theorem. So first of all, you must remember the statement of Gauss theorem and proof of the Gauss theorem, okay, thanks.